Well, I haven't made a video in several weeks, primarily because it has been raining for the last month. But this kind of marks the year anniversary for me making videos. These are pawpaw blossoms. And last year I made a video when I was hand pollinating them. I had already done it by this time. However, they are not open yet this year. So it goes to show you how big of a difference there is in the weather patterns. I was just down in South Jersey. Everything is leafed out. But here in upstate New York, barely leafed out. I mean, it's beautiful, but this rain is like endless. Red buds, they've already been leafed out and finished by this time last year. Lettuce is loving this weather, and cilantro seems to have reseeded itself from last year, which is cool. The coolest thing that's going on right now, I don't know if you can hear them. The bobolinks are going through their mating rituals, and man, are they cool looking. They look like they have lights on their backs. I've not been able to mow any of this, which I really don't care. Oh, there's two. You can't see them. I wish you could see this better, but I can't find my adapter that goes to the scope. They're like two males flying after each other. I won't mow this until they have mated and their fledglings have left the nest, which will be probably July. They nest right on the ground, so I will not disturb this field for the next 3 months. One of the few fields that will not be mowed are ours and my neighbors, and we do have meadowlarks as well. Like maybe one or two pair though.